definitely be sure to like this video. All right, everybody, just got out of the shower. It is currently 8:15 in the morning, and today is the day I've been looking for basically all week. So I go and pick up my new FG2 within the next 2 hours here. I got a U-Haul rental, so I got to go pick that up. Couple towns over. I got a pickup truck and a car hauler. I'm very excited, very happy. I'm sure you could tell by my energy. All right, guys, just grabbing a couple ratchet straps. I can't find my other one. Coming out to midnight. We're gonna get your sister today. We're gonna get your beautiful older sister. Love these cool mornings, guys. 67 degrees. The car is just breathing so nicely. I told myself I'm supposed to be saving that money, guys, trying to get to that 100 G's liquid. And here I am buying a car, right? I mean, I can't say no to this deal. Like, this is the second FG2 that I got a good deal on. Midnight, I got a good deal on our first, and guys, they're both paid for, so I can't really say much. But yeah, I mean, I really, you guys know, like, I wanted an FA5, and I still want an FA5, but like, you know, 2 good deals on FG2s, man, I can't pass that up. I really can't pass that up. So got the rest of the money here for the car. Let's go get that U-Haul truck. You already know. You already know. Just checking on the rig. This idiot took my spot, but it is what it is. We made it work. Guys, I gotta make this quick because my GoPro battery is horrible on this thing. So here's the tow rig for the day. Got the Chevy Silverado. Check this thing out, dude. Woo! This is the tow rig. Nice little truck here. So let's see if the trucking pays off. Got the car trailer. He gave me a quick rundown on it. Pull out ramps, chain for securement, etc. And that makes me remember I need to grab my ratchet strap. So let's get this show on the road. All right, guys, I am pretty excited here. Let's see if this trucking pays off. I'm gonna do a quick little pre-trip, make sure everything works, all my hazards are working and everything. There goes my car keys. Make sure my hazards are working. Dude, this truck's sick, actually. Make sure everything's good. Those are on. All I gotta say, well, I'm not gonna speak too soon, but it helps driving a semi-truck and then hopping in something smaller with the whole maneuverability of the trailer. So that's one thing I'm happy that I learned for a skill is the CDL. Look at the trailer in the back, dude, chilling. The lady was grilling the f out of me, dude. I'm gonna practice backing into this handicap spot just to see how different this is from driving a semi and if my skills have paid off.
Sometimes 'cause when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
Yeah, because, I mean, this is the straightest I'm probably going to get it. Yeah, so basically, these just slide right out, buddy. Yep. That, like, chalkboard scene.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
All right, officially here. We are working on loading this thing up right now. It's kind of been a slight hassle because the front, it's pretty low, so we needed 2x4s, and I got this like crazy ghetto winch concoction because this trailer that I have, it didn't come with a winch, but we're gonna try to make it work, at least get this thing. I want to get this thing at least halfway up this ramp, and then hopefully, you know, work on it after that. Also, Jay's got the winch on his truck. You guys can see that right there. So we might need to break that bad boy out. So wish us luck, and I'll hit you up when this thing's loaded. All right, she is basically, I'm gonna say halfway on the trailer. We'll give it that. Oh, we're going around the hose. Yep. All right, hold up. I have the handbrake down still. All right. Show you guys how we have this done. Ratchet strap around subframe, and then around the exhaust mount back there. And we're just working our way up, and that's really all we're doing. Oh, did you slide yours all the way over? These slide. This whole thing slides. I just realized that. What?
Did you slide it over?
I probably should slide it.
Yeah,
so
I
that's
just know.
Kisses. You're beautiful.
Okay. Easy. All right, guys. Officially leaving. Got the FG2 on the back. You guys can see right now. This is insane. Like, I still can't believe this is real, but it's official. The time has come. I now have two FG2s, almost the same, pretty much the same exact car. So, bill of sale's all good, title's good. Look at her. Dude, she's mint. I'm gonna go wash her off real quick just to get some of the handprints off. And yeah, that's it, guys. All right, guys, that was real tight, but I'm about to wash this thing off because it's gonna be sitting for a little while. So I just want to get all the dust, all the elements off it and stuff like that. But yeah, it's get sheesh, dude. She's pretty clean. I don't even know what's going on right now. Like, it's still crazy to say that I have another car and it's actually like mint condition. So we're gonna go ahead and just rinse it down real quick and get on our way, because I have this U-Haul truck till I think 4 o'clock, so I don't want to be pushing it too close. Fresh out the wash, dude. Look at this thing. No paint fade, no nothing. So I wish I had a towel to dry this thing off right now, because I don't want any water spots, so I got to keep it moving. But I'm about to literally make the thumbnail this right here. So make sure you guys be sure to like this video, drop all your love down below for the new FG2, and subscribe to see more content, guys. It's gonna be crazy what's coming. It's just not gonna be soon, all right? Ooh, got a little Speed 3. Look at a Corvette.
Sometimes